Welcome to our DIY bird feeder bonanza and day 3. If you're looking to attract a symphony of feathery friends to your yard and add a touch of charm to your curb appeal, you're in the right place. Here's what you'll need: pine cones, peanut butter, birdseed, string, and some optional decorative flair. Spread peanut butter generously over the pine cone scales, just like this bread. Sorry, I didn't have a pine cone. Roll it in birdseed, tie a string securely, and add your creative touches. Find a cozy spot for your creation, away from direct sunlight and wind. Hang it proudly and watch the magic unfold. See? Our feathered friends are already enjoying their new 5-star restaurant. You're providing them with food and creating a beautiful addition to your outdoor space. So grab your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let's turn our yards into havens for both humans and nature. Share your bird feeder creations using #DIYBirdFeederFun. Inspire others to join the fun. Thanks for watching. Chris Kunor, Henthorn Real Estate, Auburndale, Orlando, and Mount Dora. Call 321-229-7698 and get your key from Kunor.